These people, they are unpredictable. I was so shocked to hear the news today that we are relocating again. Yesterday, there was no clue that today we were relocating again. I can't even believe my ear when they told me, Lara, quickly go to your room, pack your bags. We are relocating to another place. Hello, my amazing subscribers. Good day to you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. I hope you guys are doing great. Past few weeks, I received some messages asking me, Lara, when are you going back to your country? I'm glad to tell you guys that I'm through with my contract since last month. And I'm going to my country. I will be back to my country this year, December. Reason being that they are looking for another domestic worker to replace me. So they pleaded to me to wait till December before they book my ticket. Thanks so much for checking up on me. I really appreciate. For those that are just coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Omolara. I'm from Nigeria. And I am here in Iraq working as a domestic worker. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for clicking on my video. The only way you can support me is by like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by.